Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra Kate. I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, online course creator, and strategist and author, helping you multiply your income and impact through the power of online courses. I'm so excited to be back, and there's a lot of things that I want to share with you today regarding the exciting updates that are happening here at Myra Kate. There are a lot of new things coming your way, so make sure to stick around to hear all about them. Okay, so I'm gonna get straight into it, you guys. First update, starting next week, October 2nd, mark your calendars because we're going to be launching the Kingdom Course Creator video series. This series will feature inspiring interviews with kingdom-driven entrepreneurs, some of my previous clients, experts, authors, coaches who have used their God-given gifts to create transformational online courses that make a real difference. And my goal through the Kingdom Course Creator series is to highlight their expertise and their God-given skills, and to also be able to encourage you that you can do whatever it is that they have done as well. If they were able to create online courses and overcome the things that they have overcome to create successful online courses and be successful entrepreneurs and be able to steward their God-given gifts themselves through the platform of online courses, then you can too. And so you'll get new episodes of the Kingdom Course Creator video series every other Wednesday. Yes, that's a bi-weekly thing. And so I'm so excited, and I'm not stopping there because on the weeks without Kingdom Course Creator episodes, I'll be going live. We'll dive into some teaching, do some mini workshops, and work through practical and actionable steps that you can take to help you turn your God-given expertise and gifts and passions and skills into profitable online courses. And it's going to be super fun, interactive, and valuable. And so make sure to stay tuned and be with me in those live streams. All right? Also, I've got some news for you for those of you who have been asking me about our course creation done for you services. And so we've updated the services over at myrracade.com/services to make it easier for you to pick and choose what you need. Especially if our main, most exclusive container, which is the course creation done for you intensive, is not quite in your budget just yet, or you just don't need support or done for you help from start to finish in your course creation process. Because maybe you just need help with your course strategy or your course slides design or course tech setup or course curriculum creation or your signature course framework creation, right? So if you just need those kinds of services and you don't need the entire thing, then head over to myrracade.com/services because we have made it available for you in there. And now you can choose from some of our amazing a la carte services in there as well. But if you really are a busy coach, expert, author, content creator, or an entrepreneur who really do not have time from start to finish to create your online course, and you would rather delegate the entire thing and have an expert, a course creation expert, go with you hand by hand in actually creating and launching your online course, then our course creation done for you intensive is still available for you in there. So again, if you're interested, then just head on over to myrracade.com/services. Oh, and this next update is big because our Courses with Confidence program is opening again soon. But this time, it's going to be under a fresh new name, and I'm going to talk more of that later on with you. So again, if you're looking to gain more confidence, more step-by-step knowledge, just having someone to teach you and equip you the tools and the resources to make your course creation process faster and easier so that you can do it yourself without stress and overwhelm, and be able to launch a successful online course, then I encourage you to join the waitlist now at myrrakate.com/waitlist. Again, these links that I'm telling you are going to be linked in the description box below. I really cannot wait to share this new and improved program or version of the program with you guys, because seriously, I know it's going to help so many of you to turn your wonderful, amazing knowledge about all the things that you know about various topics, right, into something powerful, something that can help you be able to, again, create this online course so that it can be your passive income stream. It can help you scale your business from one-on-one to one-to-many model so that you don't have to trade your time for money anymore. So that this course can also be a platform for you to multiply your income so that you can bless your family more, bless your community more, be able to give back to your church. More importantly, bless the people who are going to learn from you in your courses, right? Because I want you to be able to multiply not just your income, but also your impact. That is why I encourage you that if you're interested on learning all of that, or you're not yet at the level where you can invest on the done for you services that we have, and you can, you think you have the time, or you have the know-how, or you want to have the know-how in creating your own online course by yourself, and you just want to have the step-by-step process for that, then the Courses with Confidence program, or its new name, which I'm going to announce later on, is definitely for you. So make sure to go to myrrakate.com/waitlist. So many updates, you guys. But finally, I just want to end this video by taking a moment to remind you about our mission and vision here at Myrra Kate Co., which hopefully you would like to join me with. We're all about empowering and equipping Christian entrepreneurs, faith-based entrepreneurs, people, experts, authors, influencers, content creators who are passionate about the kingdom to multiply their income and impact through our expert course creation services and programs and faith-based personal development, which means that you're not only going to learn strategic online course creation tips and strategies here, but more than that, we're going to share God's word with you. We're going to teach you the things that personally God reveals to me through the Bible that are related to entrepreneurship, so that we can be kingdom-driven entrepreneurs, all of us, right? And our vision here is to see 1 million Christians worldwide living in their God-given dreams and living a life of purpose, freedom, and impact. PFI. Purpose, freedom, and impact. That means, again, a life of purpose, feeling fulfilled and knowing that your life has meaning. It means freedom, which means having both time and financial freedom to give back to the kingdom. And lastly, it means impact, being blessed to be a blessing to the world. And so that's what we're all about here. And I'm so beyond excited about what's ahead, and I hope you are too. It's an honor for me to be able to share my expertise with you and encourage you and empower and equip you throughout your journey as a course creator and as a kingdom entrepreneur yourself. I am so blessed. I feel so grateful to God that He has blessed me with this kind of platform, with a YouTube channel, to be able to talk with you guys and converse with you, right? That's why we always encourage you to comment on our videos, because you can. I can actually see your comments, personally answer them myself. So thank you so much for being a part of the Myrra Kate Co community. And if you aren't yet, if you're new here, then make sure you're subscribed. What are you doing? Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon below so you don't miss out of these exciting things that are coming your way. Because more than all of those things, we're still gonna have our weekly videos, by the way, and those are uploaded every Monday. So whether it's the Kingdom Course Creator series, live streams that are gonna be happening, or our new services and programs, I'm really committed to helping you take your God-given gifts to the next level. We want to become better stewards of the things that God has already given us, within us, our experiences, our educational background, our career background, our passions, our skills, the things that come naturally to us that other people want to learn, or other people are still struggling to do something, and you can actually be the solution for them, right? So there you have it. Thank you so much for being here again and for being a part of this community. Keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.